Welcome to this presentation on Bootstrap Grids and Buttons, presented by Dr. N. Sumati, Professor and Head Department of IT, SRCAS. We will see what is Bootstrap, how grids and buttons are used to design web content. Basically, Bootstrap is a web design framework. It works with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It helps to create responsive websites. That is, display is adjusted according to screen size. Its original name was Twitter Blueprint. It was developed by Mark Otto and Jacob. They are web developers at Twitter. It is an open source framework released in 2011. Using grids, we can design beautiful web layouts. Text can be displayed with labels and panels. Different Bootstrap built-in styles are applied to tables, forms, text boxes, buttons, etc. We can use JavaScript plugins like models, tooltips, alerts, etc. Grid is a layout which has rows. Each row has maximum of 12 columns. These columns can be grouped together depending on the need. These grids are used to lay out and align the content neatly on the web pages. Grid has 4 classes depending on the size of the screen. Extremely small for mobile phones, small for tablets, medium for small laptops, large for laptops and desktops. Format of the grid is given here. Each row has 12 columns. First star indicates size of the screen. Second star indicates number of columns that are grouped in a row. You can define any number of rows. Sample layout of grid is shown here. First row has 12 columns. Second row has 3 columns, that is 4 columns are grouped together equally. Third row has unequal columns, that is 4 and 8 columns are combined together. Fourth row has 2 columns equally divided. In the fifth row, all 12 columns are grouped into one. This is an example how to group 3 equal columns. Div class equal to column, small size, and 4 columns are combined here. Next example for dividing grid into unequal columns 4 and 8. Also background color is set. So this is a complete code explains how grid is divided into 3 equal columns. Bootstrap CSS files are included in link tag. jQuery and Bootstrap library files are included using script tag. Div class equal to container fluid shows full width container. H1 and paragraph tags are normal HTML tags. Here comes the grid layout. Div class equal to call small 4. Background color is also set with this background color style. The output looked like this in the browser window. 3 equal grids with different background colors. When the screen size is small, the output looks like this. Grids are stacked horizontally. Next we will see button styles in Bootstrap, which has basic, default, primary, success, info, warning, danger and link. Sample code using these Bootstrap styles include Bootstrap CSS, jQuery, Bootstrap library files in the head section. Inside body tag, different button styles are given using class attribute. Each button is displayed with different default colors. We can also change the background colors. The output is like this. Thank you.